Hello everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, dear delegates, as the head of crisis of the Secretariat Anatolia High School Model United Nations Conference, which is called MUNSA, it is my great pleasure to deliver the closing ceremony speech. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the delegates for their participation in this conference. Your dedication, hard work, and passion have truly made this conference a memorable experience for all of us. Throughout the conference, you have demonstrated excellent diplomacy skills and an unwavering commitment to finding solutions to the most pressing global issues. This year's MUNSA conference has been particularly remarkable. We have witnessed some of the most insightful and innovative solutions to the world's most challenging problems. The level of engagement and commitment from all delegates has been truly inspiring, and I believe we have all learned a great deal from each other. As we bring this conference to a close, I urge you all to carry the spirit of MUNSA beyond these walls. Remember that the skills you have developed here, the ability to negotiate, collaborate, and seek solutions to complex problems. These will serve you well in your personal and professional lives. In addition, I would like to congratulate all the award winners for their outstanding performance. Your hard work, dedication, and commitment have not gone unnoticed, and we are all proud of your achievements. Now, it's time for the committees that we had. As all of you know, we had two crisis committees. Although we have two crisis committees, all the 6 committees in our conference have received many crises. To be honest, it was hard, but it was worth it. Our first crisis committee, in our historical crisis committee, which included the statesmen of Turkey, our participants managed to save the Cypriot Turks. They are our heroes! And secondly, our joint crisis committee, which consisted of the cabinets of the CIA and KGB, they did everything except being an agent. They acted like generals, they acted like commanders, they pretend to be the reverends, they even declared John F. Kennedy as Jesus Christ. They were great, I love my delegates. Now it's time for the special thanks to special people. First, I want to start with our dear school principal, Mr. Sedat Işık, our vice principals, Yücel Çilingir and Özgün Özkök. They were with us all the time. Then our greatest advisors, Arzu Üstad Baloğlu and Ayşe Şule Kılınç. Our okul aile birliği members, Fatma abla, Sevgi abla, Tülay abla. Our esteemed academic advisor, Ömer Faruk Can. They helped us anytime, not only during the process of MUNSA, they were like our mothers. As being the last of the adults, I want to thank my mother Necla Dönmez for finding the agenda item of Sokum and mentally helping me. Now let's move with the theme of our conference. Let me start with our organization team. Firstly, our head of PR Sümeyra Başar, for her contribution on the process of MUNSA by sending emails. Then our head of admin, Elif Acıoğlu, for being one of my sisters. Our head of IT, Vefa Ceylan, for his dad jokes. And lastly, our head of press, Emi Görgün, and deputy head of press, Seher Arslan, for the all awesome videos, edits, photos, designs that they have made. Since we are done with the organization team, I can continue with my MUN friend groups. Firstly, I want to say that I love you, my slave bros, our NEP College MUN family, our Çembertaş MUN family, especially Afo, Ahmet Faruk Oku'dan, I love you, and our Deep Crisis Group. Now it's time for the academic team. I want to start thanking USG's chairs and academic assistants of our committees. Firstly, I want to start with the Sokum committee, Yasemin and Mümtaz. Although I have met you in this conference, I saw that you're awesome people. Bedran, send my love to Urfa. Ali Osman and Arda, not many words for you since you are not definable with words. Now the committee of UNSC, I want to send my thanks to Elika and Yılmaz for writing the study guide, and Suda for helping the committee, and Eymen. I want to say something, but it's not suitable for a ceremony, Eymen. I want to mention your director, you got it. And now the US Senate. Emre, could you hear me? Yeah. I remember the moments that we had while writing the study guide of UNEP a year ago, by preparing MUNSA'23. And Cemre, I've met you throughout Janik. That is my biggest regret in my life. The academic assistants are Ertuğrul, Taha, and Mert. You are great students. And ICJ. Jamie, when we met in UNESCO, I said to myself that this guy must be a USG in our conference, and I did it. And Esma, you're my sister. Onur, I see a light on your face. And now, it's time for the best committees for me, the crisis committees. First, the historical crisis committee. Berkay, I'm sure that you are looking at Ravi Denktaş's photo every day before you sleep. Kaan, how are you? He's not here, he left the conference hall for specific reasons. But if he was here, he would answer like, I'm fine, and you? And to be honest, while making my speech, I'm inspired by Kaan. Yankı, I'm so sorry for messing up your name every time. Ali Khan and Arda, I can't forget your efforts while you were writing the study guides. And now, Joint Crisis Committee. Altan, Kanka, we couldn't play you for ages. Let's play next weekend, okay? D-chairs, Toprak, Irmak, Agah, and Akça. You are all awesome except Agah, since he kidnapped me multiple times throughout the conference. And our academic assistants, Tunç, Emre, and Ali, nothing to say, you are always my best friends. And lots of love to check out. We are done with the committees. Now the best time has come. My colleagues, Emir, Eren, Özgür, and Başar. First Emir. Kanka, 1 year ago, when we were at MUNSA'22, I told you something. I said that we will be the Secretariat next year and host the best MUN conference of all times. Kanka, we did it! Özgür, you are one of the best people I have ever met in my life, but now I will tell an inside joke so don't get surprised, dear participants. Kanka, I didn't forget that paper. Eren, I know you for 3 years, but we became close friends only for a couple weeks. I wanna understand, Eren, I wanna understand. Where were you, bro, for 17 years? Başar, Kanka, when your name is mentioned, I can only imagine your situation in the first day of Medina last year. You and your yellow coat have a large place in my heart. Everyone is finished except my crisis team. And my deputy crisis için vardı. It is their turn. Instead of saying emotional words, I will invite them to stage with a huge applause. Our crisis chairs, crisis academic assistants, and crisis members, and my deputy of crisis chamber to deliver his speech. Come to the floor.
Long speech is really bore me, so I'm not going to keep this long. There are some special thanks I would like to give. Firstly, I want to thank my amazing crisis team. I'm not going to name them because I don't have time. I want to thank the Academy 5, Emir, Özgür, Eren, Başar, and Habib. I want to thank all of the delegates and chairs who attended this conference and everyone else who has been here these 3 days.
Please silence.
I want to thank the Deep Crisis Brotherhood, Hail Deep Crisis, and the most important thanks goes to my head of crisis, Habib.
Since scenario is too tall, we cannot fit him.
Bunlar girmiyor kadroya.